Using InfinityFree Hosting is an excellent choice for those seeking a free web hosting solution. Here's how to get started. Sign up. Visit the InfinityFree website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the registration form with your email address and create a password. Choose a domain. You can either use a free subdomain provided by InfinityFree or connect your own domain if you have one. To connect a custom domain, ensure your domain's DNS settings point to InfinityFree servers. Access the control panel. After signing up, log into your account and access the control panel. This is where you can manage your website settings. Upload your website. Use a file manager or an FTP client like FileZilla to upload your website files. You can also use a CMS like WordPress by installing it through the Softaculous apps installer in the control panel. Manage your website. Use the various features in the control panel to manage databases, emails, and other settings. You can also monitor website traffic and performance. Get support. InfinityFree has a support forum where you can find help and solutions to common issues.